Hi and hello everyone. Today I'm going to recite one of my new poems, that is Lord Chutineke. So let's start. Lord Chutineke nokbe thongadun nang jayantia de nang chere duntu wai song supir the non avelota son thot benban ke ne dolang nonde nang chumang jong he do chakri chakor ne nang ferere do tigla ne no kheso pulingle jakong kavepu hanru nai nike nang kenri madu jutang jobat pen lutun lamenan cheme ko sonne la sonsi dono nok jer thai penle nang chelurinti nang nihuturte neta lor chuti nekhe pen kaike dorap sining me ne se ang tong pen nang parem jine muktiar ason ben arjap si donri kaita dujine ahok pet pusi longripi bithe. If you like this poem, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels and gives your comments whatever you think. Thank you.